In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that the Instagram reply option isn't showing. So here I have a conversation on my Instagram account and I'm going to show you what you have to do. So first, here this person sent done. If I hold it, as you can see, I can't reply. I don't have the reply option on this Instagram account. So on some Instagram account it does work. I'm going to show you how you can solve this. So the first thing that you can try, uninstall Instagram, then reinstall it. For some friends of mine, it did work. After they installed it again, it worked like it should be. But if it doesn't work, and for mine it didn't, you have to go ahead and do this, then take a screenshot. And now you want to go to your profile, then hit the three lines, go to settings, now go to help, then go to report problem, and you want to report a problem right here. Then you can explain what happened, and you can say my reply option is not available. You can say something more like, "Can you please help? I'm from this and this is my account, so make sure it looks good." Then you can go to the gallery and select a file. So you can select the file, the screenshot we just made. So select it, submit, and then we just we just reported a problem, and now they get back to us via email. And when they respond, they ask you, or they say what you have to do, and then it will be fixed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.